If you know this next, a lot of you will know this next one because this is pretty familiar with pirates.
To the tables down at Maurice, to the place where Louis dwells, to the dear old Temple bar we love so well. Sing the Whiffen Blues assembled with their glasses raised on high, and the magic of their singing casts a spell. Yes, the magic of their singing, of the songs we love so well, shall I wasting and Lavorine and the rest, we will serenade our Louis while life and voice shall last, and will last and be forgotten with the rest. We're poor sailor men who have lost our way. Ba, ba, ba. We're pirates of the sea.